Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Progress in English. In today's video, we're going to check the most common grammar mistakes, and then we'll take a quiz to test your understanding. Write your score in the comments section below. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please make sure to like, subscribe and share. Let's begin. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share and press the bell icon. We will be back with more knowledge videos on Progress in English.